If you're an artist looking for a new digital painting software, you have definitely come to the right place. In this explainer, we're going to break down openCanvas, what it is, what makes it special, and how you can get it without breaking the bank. Let's figure out if it's the right fit for you.
So here's our roadmap. First, we'll cover the basics. What is openCanvas? Then we'll dive into its killer event feature. After that, we'll see where it fits in with its sibling software. I'll give you a smart shopping guide, and then the best part, how to try it all out completely risk-free.
All right, let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is openCanvas?
Well, the official description is pretty straightforward, which I actually appreciate. It's a painting program, it's for Windows, and it's designed for pretty much everyone, whether you're just starting out or you're a total pro. It's really made to grow with you as an artist.
And when you really boil it down, it's all about versatility. You get that natural analog brush feel, which is so important, but it's all wrapped up in an interface that's easy to use and doesn't get in your way. Plus, it's built to be fast, so you're not dealing with lag when you're in the zone.
Okay, now let's talk about what I think is the coolest part, the one thing that really makes openCanvas stand out from the crowd. It's a little something called the event feature.
Seriously, just think about that for a second. You finish a piece, you're proud of it, but you wish you could just hit rewind and see how you got there? Or maybe you want to show a friend your technique without having to set up a complicated screen recording.
This is where the magic happens. It's so simple, but so powerful. While you're drawing, openCanvas is just quietly recording every single brushstroke, every undo, every layer change. Then, with the event function, you can play that entire process back like a movie. It's an incredible tool for learning, for creating tutorials, or just for sharing the story behind your art.
So to really understand openCanvas, it helps to see the neighborhood it lives in. It's made by a company called PGN Inc., and they've actually got a whole family of art tools. And what's super interesting here is how they've carved out a unique space for each tool. You've got openCanvas with its amazing replay feature. Then there's MediaApp Plus SE, which is for the more tech-savvy artists who want to actually code their own brushes. And Fire Alpaca SE is another great streamlined option. Knowing this helps you see exactly who openCanvas is for.
Okay, so let's say I've got your attention. You're thinking, this openCanvas thing sounds pretty cool. Now, the big question is, how do you get it without paying full price? Let's talk strategy.
And here it is, the #1 rule of smart software shopping. Be patient. You almost never have to pay the full list price, especially for software on a platform like Steam. You just have to wait for the right moment.
And just to give you an idea, we've seen this software go on sale for 20% off in the past. I mean, that's a nice chunk of change you can save just by waiting a little bit.
So, when should you be on the lookout? Definitely circle the big Steam summer and winter sales on your calendar. Those are your best bets. But, keep an eye out for other publisher-specific sales too. They can pop up anytime.
And now we've saved the best tip for last. You can actually take openCanvas for a test drive without spending a dime. It's completely risk-free.
Here's your game plan. It's brilliant. Steam has this amazing refund policy. You buy the software, you download it, and you can play with it for up to 2 hours. If you decide it's not for you within that time, you just request a refund and you get your money back. No hassle. It's basically a free trial.
So there you have it. We've covered what openCanvas is, that awesome event feature, how it stacks up against its siblings, and how you can be a super smart shopper about it. It's a powerful tool, no doubt. The only real question left is it the right tool to help visualize your creativity?